Buenos dias, Sparrows. Let's going to continue with our maths learning. We are looking at measurements still. On Thursday you had so much fun playing games of weighting, and comparing different weights. And then let's going to do a quick recap about what we learned the last time. So we were looking at comparing different weights to see which one was heaviest or which one was lighter than the other one, okay? So for example, if we have 38 grams and 52 grams, and we were comparing them and see which one is bigger, which one is heaviest. Because both of them are grams, we were going to just look at the number 38, 52, which one is bigger, what number? 52, that's right. So 52 is heavier, 52 grams is heavier than 38. Then we look at some tricky ones, like for example, and this one was a little bit tricky. Why? Because 13, I know 13 is bigger than 4, but what's different on this? The unit is different, kilograms, grams, and we know that what is heavier? Is it heavier, kilograms or grams? Kilograms are heavier, so 4 kilograms are heavier, it's bigger than 13 grams. Now, how can you remember that a kilogram is, how can you remember that a kilogram is more than a gram? Because how many grams do you need to make one? To get 1 kilogram, how many grams do you need? 1,000, well done. 1,000 grams. So you need, if we said that if one pencil, which is not, if one pencil is 1 gram, you will need 1,000 of them to make 1,000 of them to make 1 kilo. Okay, so that's quite a lot, isn't it? Right, today we are going to be looking at comparing, we are going to compare as well, but we are going to be looking at ordering. We are going to order some mass, okay? Some different weights. Now, to order, we are going to be ordering from lightest, the one that is less heavy, lightest to heaviest. Lightest to heaviest, the one that is less heavy to the one that is the most heavy, okay? Right, let's going to look at this. All of them are going to be grams. Let's going to look at these numbers. Say with me, 13, 51, and 24. Okay? Now, as I said to you, they are all going to be grams. 13 grams, 51 grams, 24 grams. Now, if I ask you to put them in order from lightest to heaviest, what do you think that is the lightest in there? They're all grams, so I'm going to need to look at my smallest number, which is, what is that? 13 grams, well done. 13 grams. And next, 51 or 24. What is less? What is smallest? 24, well done. 24 grams. And the last one, 51 grams. Easy, well done. Right, let's go to look now. I'm going to do it a little bit trickier. Let me try to trick you. Okay, let's going to go for 63 kilograms. Let's going to go now for 25 kilograms. Let's going to look at 53 kilograms as well. Move the whiteboard and it doesn't fall over. No. 63 kilograms, 25 kilograms and 53 kilograms. And I want to put them in order. And this time I'm going to put them in order as well. This time are kilograms instead of grams, as I still want to put them in order from lightest to heaviest. They are all kilograms, so there is nothing going to be tricky there. I'm just going to need to look at the numbers. Lightest, the smaller, the one that is less heavy, the smaller unit is going to be, say it? Oh, that's right, 25 kilograms. Well done. What is my next one? 63 kilograms or 53? 53. And my last one? What is the heaviest? 63 kilograms. Well done. That sounds easy, doesn't it? Shall we make it a little bit more difficult, shall we? I think that you can do it a little bit trickier. Let's have a go. Right. This time, what about if I am going to have 1 gram, 53 grams, 26 grams, and 4 grams. Why is this a little bit trickier? What happened there? Not all my numbers are 2-digit numbers, so I'm not going to be looking straight away into my tens to see which one is the smallest tens, because I have ones. I have 1-digit numbers in there, numbers that I need to look at my ones. So, smallest to biggest, lightest to heaviest. All of them grams. What is my lightest one? What is that? Well done, 1 gram. The next one? 53, 26 or 4 grams? 4 grams. Next one, 2 digits, so I can look at my tens now. 53 or 26, what is lightest? What is smaller? 26. And my last one, 53 grams. Well done, even mixing it with 1-digit number and you've done it. Well done, well done. Shall we now mix grams and kilograms? Shall we? Let's see if we can do this. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Okay, this time we are going to have, can you read it for me? 10 kilograms. We are going to have 40 grams. We are going to have 5 kilograms. And we are going to have, I don't know if you can see it here, 60 grams. As I said, this one is going to be trickier. Why? Because I mix kilograms and grams. But it's not that tricky. How do you know what is heaviest? Grams or kilograms? Kilograms. Kilograms are heavier than grams. So I know that 10 kilograms is going to be actually heavier than 40 grams. So I'm going to start with my grams. 40 and 60. What is lightest? What is smaller, 40 or 60? 40. So the lightest one is 40 grams. Next, grams as well, 60 grams. My next one, 10 kilograms or 5 kilograms? 5 kilograms. And my last one, 10 kilograms. Well done. So we know that kilograms are heavier. So if you have 10, as I have there, 10 and 60 or 10 and 40, actually 10 kilograms are heavier, is more than 40 grams. So you need to make sure that you keep an eye on the kilograms because they are heavier, okay? So even if 10 is smaller than 40, when we're talking about kilograms, 10 kilograms is more than 40 grams. Okay, so that's going to be your work today. Quite easy and simple. We've done it quite quick. You need to order your different weights. You need to order them from lightest to heaviest. Okay? Right, have a go and let me know how it goes. Adios!